Hello, my lovely followers. Today we're bringing you a brand new and super delicious recipe for stuffed pastries that are golden and crispy, perfect for any occasion. But before we dive in, if this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new exclusive recipe. Let's start with preparing the filling, which is going to be the heart of our pastries. First, heat a pan over medium heat and add a little oil. Once the oil is warm, add some chopped onions and stir them around until they're soft and translucent. Then, add minced chicken and season it with your favorite spices: salt, pepper, paprika, or whatever you prefer. Keep stirring the mixture until the chicken is fully cooked. In the end, sprinkle some fresh parsley over the filling to give it a burst of flavor and color. Now let's move on to the dough. Take a thin sheet of pastry dough and gently roll it out. Brush the surface with a little melted butter to add richness. In the center of the dough, place a spoonful of the chicken filling. Fold the edges of the dough over the filling, making sure to seal it well so nothing escapes while cooking. Once you've prepared all the pastries, heat another pan over medium heat. Place the stuffed pastries in the pan and cook them until they're golden and crispy on both sides. The result should be a beautifully golden brown pastry, filled with juicy chicken and packed with flavor. As always, the key to keeping the shapes perfect is to handle the dough with care and to make sure your pan is at the right temperature, not too hot, not too cool. This way, the pastries will cook evenly without burning or sticking to the pan. Finally, serve these delicious stuffed pastries while they're still warm and enjoy the compliments from everyone who tries them. Trust me, they're going to be a hit at your next gathering.